Everyone sees this is the word mathematics in English. The word mathematics changes the T into 20, the A into 1, and the E into 5. And the changing the letters into numbers, you can make out the year 2015. And the word mathematics in English. To my right, now you're looking at the word mathematics in Hebrew. If you never know, I'll teach you that every letter in Hebrew, even though the Hebrew language doesn't have any vowels, the letters in Hebrew all have a numerical value. Aleph being the first, which is silent, Bet being the second. This is the word matematika. Matematika in Hebrew. Looking at T, Mahteh. T is 20, A is 1, and E is 5. Both of the words mathematics and matika show the year 2015. The English word for mathematics and the Hebrew word for mathematics show the year 2015. And it kind of baffles me that although English is 26 letters in its alphabet, I wonder if anybody ever came to the understanding that the English word alphabet is similar to the Hebrew word alphabet. And it's no wonder that the understanding that God showed me is so adjacent or connected as English gematria or simple gematria, changing the English letters into numbers, as rabbis who deal with the Hebrew gematria like they do with the Tanakh and the Torah, they change the Hebrew words into numbers. But what I'm bringing to your attention is that clearly math is a universal language of God. And even though the Hebrew language only has 22 letters and no vowels, but clearly the English alphabet, which is comprised of the word alphabet is comprised of the first and the second letters in Hebrew, Aleph and Bet. But clearly it's connected to English simple gematria. Clearly you're reading where it shows English alphabet. The modern English alphabet is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters, each having an uppercase and lowercase form, the same letters. Same letters that are found in the ISO basic Latin alphabet. Clearly, this is a recording of the Hebrew alphabet. And as English reads from left to right, many of the Semitic languages, like Hebrew and Arabic, read from right to left. Spiritually speaking, God takes us from left to right. Spiritually speaking, left is death and right is life. It rhymes. And it sounds connected because it is connected. The expression left is death. The expression right is life. It's a spiritual understanding. Just like the writing. Just like the letters in the alphabet in Hebrew. They read from right to left. But clearly, the grace of God takes it from left to right. And it's more than a coincidence that some of the English simple geometry is deeply connected to God. And English language written off by scholars who say there is no understanding to it at all. There's no connection to English and mathematics and geometry. Wrong. Because almost 300 videos that God shows me is not wrong. That's true. And there is a connection. Tav is the last letter of the Hebrew word emet, which means truth. Tav is the last letter of the Hebrew word emet, which means truth. You find the letter T a lot, everyone. Just like the letter O. Just like the vowel A, which is letter A. Just like the vowel E, which is the letter E. In English, we can't have a word without a vowel. In Hebrew, there are no vowels. In English, all the vowels A, E, I, O, U are A is 1, E is 5, I is 9, O is 15, U is 21. If you look at most of the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, you will see that most of them either 1, 2, or 5. make up the year, make up the numbers that make out the year 2015. The only one that doesn't is 9. And then we say sometimes Y, which is 25, makes up the first and last number of the year 2015. Now take the letter T, you'll find that's the number 20, which makes up the 2 and the 0 inside the year 2015. The letter T is very well used in Hebrew. When they say Boker Tov, good morning, or Eref Tov, good night, you see the T is inside the word good. Tov in Hebrew means good. In Genesis chapter 1, verse 4, and God saw that it was good, is the word Tov. And you find the word Tov mentioned, I believe, 7 times exactly in the Genesis account in Genesis chapter 1. Tov is mentioned 7 times. Similar to the word Tav, you see here. You see the T-A-V is the last letter of the Hebrew word, emet. Emet, E-M-E-T. So looking at the word emet, E-M-E-T, and which means truth. Now, if I multiply the word truth, you'll see the year 2015. Okay. In the word alphabet, T is 20, A is 1, E is 5. That's 2015. And on and on and on and on and on again. If you say tetrahedron, the word tetrahedron shows 2015. If you say tetragrammaton, that shows the year 2015. If you say the word salvation, that shows 2015. Many of the words connected to, just like I just said, T-O is 2015. Many of the words in religion connected, that word connected is 2015, everyone. T is 20, O is 15. Many other words connected to religion. The word salvation. The T and the O, that suffix, the end of another word, T-I-O-N. The same that you find in the word connection or reception or direction or regeneration. That T and that O is 2015. How many words have the suffix T-I-O-N? How many words have T-O in it? When you say O-T, that's 2015. If you say TKO, that's 2015. Just the TO by itself is 2015. The word good found in Genesis chapter 1, verse 4, which is the Hebrew word tov, T-O-V. Straight out. The last word that God says. And it was good. And God saw that it was good. That word good is found, if you look in the Bible, the word good is found on the end of the sentence. 2015 is sentencing day for those fallen angels, the end of them. The word end wouldn't be the way that it is, E-N-T. The word add isn't the way that it is, A-D-D. The word addition, T-N-O, in addition is 2015. The word subtraction, the T and the O in subtraction is 2015. The word multiplication, the T and the O inside the word multiplication is 2015. If you say percentage, you just said the number 2015. Decimal point is 2015. The letter T, as I was telling you, is found the Old Testament, the New Testament shows you new 2015. Just the word testament is 2015. When you say I attest to something, that's 2015. T is 20, A is 1, E is 5. And the letter T is profound because you find that letter T in words like the word tree, where the word tree clearly is showing you the year 2015. It was one of my earliest videos. The word the word tree, the letter T is 20. And then you have the R, which is 18. So you extract the 1 out the 18. You extract the 20 out the T. And you get the 5 out. Either one of the two E's. And inside the word tree, you see the 255. Unmistakably, also you find the year 2015. So this is the word tree. Starting with the letter T. T is 20, R is 18, E is 5, and E is 5. Unmistakably, everyone. You can make out the year 2015. 2, 0, 1, and 5. You can make out the 2, 5, 5. The numbers that make up the numbers for fallen angels. Without a doubt. So guys, when you hear about the word tree, going back to Genesis chapter 3, remember in mathematics, anybody ever understand mathematics, it's an expression in mathematics called aliquot tree. Kind of deep. You say with reference to your family, you call it a family tree. How many people ever knew, as I'm showing you, that the word tree clearly shows you 2, 0, 1, 5. Everyone, 2015. Unmistakably, right? No mistake, guys. The tree you hear mentioned in Genesis chapter 3 is showing you no other than the year 2015. When Jesus healed the one blind man, opened up his eyes, he saw men walking around as trees, everyone. Did everyone not realize that there could really be no life on this earth had man cut down all the rainforests, all the trees. We need trees, everyone, to exist on this planet we call Earth. Pay close attention. I'm going to show you something. This is the word planet. P is 16. L is 12. Everyone, P is 16, L is 12. You see this number, everyone? P and L? 16, 12. The first two letters that make the word planet, correct? Changing P into a number, it'll give you 16. Changing the L into its number in English will give you the number 12. The geometry to explain something. Where did you ever see this number before? Take the word God, which is 26 in simple geometry, multiply it by 62. You see that, everyone? Boy, I tell you. 62 is Elohim. In some geometry. Multiply that, you get 1612. Everyone, that's the first two letters in the word planet. I tell you, you can't find two other numbers in math that you can multiply. And you see how you see 2, 6, and then 6, 2 multiplied. I took 26, which is God. 62 is Elohim, which is the name for God in Hebrew. God, the creator. And then you have, when you multiply, you get 1612. You try taking two numbers, reverse those same two numbers, and see if you can come back with the same numbers. You can't do it. You can't do it. Impossible. I'll try with 28. Reversing 28. Can't do it. This is the only numbers in math. God and God, when multiply, give you the first two letters in the word planet, everyone. Truly, this is what I'm showing you is extraterrestrial esoteric understanding. The word esoteric is 2015. E is 5. S is 19. E is 15. T is 20. E is 5. R is 18. I is 9. C is 3. Everyone, this is the word esoteric. See the 2015, 2015, 2015. Look at all the different, like 3 different variations in the word esoteric that you can make out the year 2015. Inside the word esoteric. If I was to show you the word extraterrestrial, let me just show you the word extra, because I don't believe. E is 5. X is 23. T is 20. EXT. It's R and A. Everyone, this is just the word extra. EXTRA. Without the terrestrial part. Extra, everyone, is going to show you an extra understanding. 2015, everyone. 2015, everyone. Inside the word extra is 2 variations to the year 2015. Look at the word E-T. Everyone remember E-T? E-T, extraterrestrial, acronym. E and T is 52. There's 52 weeks in the year, everyone. I will tell you in this video. 5 times 2 times 10. Everyone. The word ET, everyone, shows you the year 2015, 2015. Just like all the weeks in the year. Actually, someone might say, you did that wrong, Brother Keith. The 5, E is 5, T is 20. Shows you year 2015, 2015. Going counterclockwise. Okay? Fine. This is the 55 times 2, the 52 weeks in the year, give you the year 2015. So, they call aliens angels. They call angels aliens. You call God an alien. That's who made us. Let's look at the word God. G is 7. Let's multiply. G is 7. O is 15. And D is 4. Let's multiply. Looking at the word God, can't you make out the total for the year 2015? 1440. Can't you make out the 25 I just showed you in ET? Huh? See the 2 and the 5? See the 5 and the 2 and the 0? The one you call extraterrestrial, ET, is no other than God and the angels. They're not aliens no more than the Indians were supposed to be called Indians. They were Iroquois. They were Seminoles, Iroquois, Blackfeet, you name it. You want to listen to science? Even the word Scientology is 2015. You want to listen to the atheists? The word atheist shows 2015. But do you see the E and the T? The 5 is E, the T is 20. And you can make out all the minutes in the day, 1440, which is also the total number for the year 2015. And you see 44 inside that. Just like connected to the 144,000. That's a palindromic number inside the calculation when you multiply the letters for the word God in simple geometry. This is the word planet, everyone. Like I was showing you the first 2 letters, P and L, is 26. 62 multiplied gives you 1612. Inside the word planet, you see the year 2015. The last 2 numbers, 20. The first is the 1 in planet, and right next to the 20 is the 5 for 2015. You also see the year 2014. You can also make out several different years. You can see the palindromic numbers 111. You can see the 22 inside the word planet. Clearly, Extraterrestrial, ET. You see that on the end. 5 is E, T is 20. Extraterrestrials made Earth. The word Earth is EARTH. Inside the word Earth, you can see the ET. Extraterrestrials. What you call aliens is no more than angels. What you call God is no more than an extraterrestrial. The understanding is this. Just like you use the word computer, inside the word computer, it's the year 2015. Doesn't matter if you use a desktop computer or a laptop computer. The understanding is 2015. It's like the word electrical. T is 20, E is 5, A in the word electrical is 2015. The first two letters in the word electrical, ET. The word electronic, ET. When you use the term ETA, estimated time of arrival. The ET, the estimated time of arrival for what they call aliens, what science calls aliens, with NASA, you can see inside the word planet, the 51, Area 51. Great understanding that I'm sharing with you is that the extraterrestrials created man in his own image after his own likeness. It made Earth habitable. Made it so that mankind could exist. When you say the word outer space, you see the ET in the word outer. This year, 2015, extraterrestrials who created Earth will appear. It will be Judgment Day. This year, 2015. And they will take back this. They will take back this planet that they have made for mankind. There is no mistaking this. Even the word mistake is 2015. This is the truth, just like the word emet, the Hebrew word for truth. The end part of the word emet, E-M-E-T, shows E-T. Bless, bless.